Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. And this is how I woke up face, because I literally just woke up 15 minutes back. So right now I actually have my exam and I'm a paper ready here, and I'm gonna write that very quickly. Actually, it was supposed to happen at 9:30, but somehow they uploaded the paper at 9. So I'm gonna start writing that now. It's a very short paper for 15 marks only. So I'll get done in like 30 minutes max, and then I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'll talk to you guys. Okay, I'm done showering and I'm gonna do my skincare right now. So I'll just show you guys what all I'm using. My skincare drawer is such a mess. I'm gonna organize all of this today, so wait for it. But I'm gonna go in with this Biotique Bio Cucumber toner. I really like this. Been using it for 2 to 3 years. Works really well for my skin. It's almost out. And then I'm gonna go in with this one. So I've been really liking this one, the Deconstruct 10% niacinamide and 0.3% alpha arbutin. This is my second bottle. This is 30 ml. I bought the 15 ml first, and I think I'll be reviewing this one. So either the video will be coming very soon, full review for this product, or if it's already up, I will link it up in the eye and in the description box as well, so you can check that out. And then for my moisturizer, I've been using this one, the Requel oil free mattifying moisturizer. It's amazing. I really like it, and it sinks in the skin really well. So use this as a moisturizer. And of course, my favorite eye cream of all the time, this is the Kaya Hydro Replenish Under Eye Gel. It's amazing. If you have dry under eyes, then this is the perfect one for you. And then I'm gonna go with the lip balm, and my SPF also I'll show you guys. So oh my god, it broke. So I'm using the Lakme Lip Love lip balm. I'll be linking all these products down below. These are my favorites, so you can definitely go ahead and buy them. And I'm just gonna go in with my skincare and then catch you guys. My sunscreen, I'm going to be using this Lakme SPF 50 sunscreen. It's a good sunscreen. You can definitely give it a try. And also for my body, I'm using this Vaseline one with SPF of 30. Not really a fan of this. The fragrance is really bad. I don't like it. So I'm going to try and find an alternative. But if you don't mind the fragrance, then you can definitely purchase this one. Okay, you guys, I'm ready. I have some setting powder, mascara and lipstick on, and my outfit is this cute little t-shirt dress. So this is from Forever 21, not from India, from US. And as you can hear the cooker ka seeti, because today we have some yummy lunch. I'll show you guys. But yeah, I am ready for the day, and right now I'm just gonna eat some like dry fruits and biscuit and chill for a while. Hi guys, so you saw I just got done with that amazing, it was so yummy lunch. It was chole and puri. I really wanted to eat it, so I told my mom last night, please banao, and I'm gonna eat that. I ate that for my lunch, and even gonna eat that for my dinner because I love it. But right now I'm just gonna chill for a while. Maybe I'll take a nap, and then in the evening I do have some really interesting like home organization, so I will show you guys all of that.
12 seconds later.
I have a lecture from 2 to 3 and I completely forgot, and my friend just now reminded me, so guess I will have to join that, attend it till 3, and then I can take a nap. Hi you guys, so right now it is 6 o'clock and I don't want to turn on my front camera and then my back camera and then just do random stuff, so I'm just gonna vlog it in the mirror. But anyways, first off, I'm actually in a really bad mood, and that is why I'm really salty about everything. I was supposed to get started at 5 o'clock and at 6 o'clock I'm 1 hour late. But regardless, first I'm going to show you what all I got from Amazon. So I got something for home decor and a few stuff, like 4 things I got. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then we are gonna get started with organizing. So I'm gonna take you guys through that journey. So let me show you what all I got. So the first thing that I got is this right here. Ignore this chappal, yeah, these are my ghar ka chappal. Oh my god. Anyway, so this is the organization rack, that I got from Amazon. It is so beautiful. So the issue was that this is my vanity, this is my mirror, and this is the smaller mirror for makeup, and this is where all my makeup is. But the thing is, my skincare and everything is right here in this drawer, and as you can see, it's really messed up. And there are some things like my mom's powder and like mom stuff, and you see all of this, like those clips and rubber bands and everything is in this bag. Like, I don't even use them. So the thing was that I was not able to keep it up organized, and I really miscalculated my vanity space, and so that is why I got this rack. Now I am extremely happy with like how this rack is and like how spacious it is, so I'll get to keep all my things here, so that I can empty that skincare wala drawer back then, because the upper drawer that you see, this drawer right here, is also jam packed, where I have my laptop, my remaining of sunscreen, my empties and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna empty all of that and organize it in this rack, and I will leave the link for this rack down below. It is really good. It was a little bit pricey. I think it is for 1600, but personally it is worth the money, because I'll tell you guys, like, this is plastic, okay? These drawers are plastic, but they are such, oh my god, what broke? Okay, so the plastic is such good quality, like if you even press it down, it doesn't go. It's not like flimsy plastic. Then it has these metal drawers, and it also has wheels, and I have tried to find such organization trolleys in offline stores. I have gone to so many stores. I could not find a good looking one which would suit my vanity, and I only found good ones on Amazon, and this was, like, I would say, like, comparably the cheapest one. There were ones that were like 2600 and 1900 and stuff like that, and then you also get those cheapy plastics one, but like that's not what I want, because I wanted something long term. And so I got this one, and I had to build it. So I'm gonna be uploading the unboxing and building of this one on my IGTV. So I'll leave the link down for my Instagram down below. You can go follow me and you can see. I'm gonna upload it on Sunday. But yeah, that is what it is, and I don't want to waste much time talking, and I'll show you guys the next few products that I got. Next up, I got these two serums. I show you guys in the morning. This is the Deconstruct Brightening 10% Niacinamide and Alpha Arbutin. And then I also got my hands on this Deconstruct Hydrating Serum, which is the 2% Hyaluronic Acid and 1% Niacinamide. So these are the two serums and the skincare part that I got. You can buy them from their website or from Amazon as well, and it's a really good brand. So if you are looking for good serums, and they are affordable as well, so you can give these a try. The next thing which I'm really excited about is right here. So these are makeup brushes, and this is the company like Star Makers, and oh my god, these are so affordable brushes. And when I saw, so I think you get like 9 or 12 brushes in here. Let me just open it for you guys. So this is how they come. Like, first off, I love the packaging, and these are all the brushes. So these are basically eyeshadow brushes, okay? So there are a few flat and shader brushes, there are fluffy blending brush, a flat like blending brush, then we have some pencil brushes like these ones, then we have like an angled brush, really good quality brushes, and I think these were for 400 or something, even cheaper I guess, but these are really good quality brushes in affordable price. So I'll link them down below. If you are looking for something like that, then please check it out. Guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this thing out. So this is an anti-slip mat, and you basically use this in your organization drawer. So I'm gonna spread it right here, because I'm actually not a fan of these floral designs, and also I'm just gonna keep it here so that it prevents all the dust and dirt or any fallout directly on this box and organization trolley anyway. So I'm gonna quickly cut those ones out, and then I'll show you guys. So I'm done cutting all of it, and this is how it looks. I didn't really want to go till the edge, and I would have to make space here and all that. So I'm really happy with how this exactly fits. over here. So all the 4 are done, and I'm just gonna take some break. I really want to eat something, so I'm eating some Pringles, and then we'll get to organizing. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you can see me, but anyways, I'm gonna start organizing. So the first track is going to be about skincare, so I'm gonna start with that, and obviously I'm gonna like just montage all of this. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, you guys, progress. So this is the first drawer, and I have all my skincare, then my hair brushes, my hair care, and some face mask and a matchbox over here. Now right here I have all my perfumes. This is the box where I have like, okay, these are the amount of Tic Tac pens I have, and I don't even need these many, but yeah, these are those. There's one comb in here, and then there are rubber bands and clips. This is a pouch for my nail paint, and these are some cotton pads that are literally like 3-4 years old. I stopped using cotton pads, so that was the last one that I bought, and that's there. This one is empty now. Here I have my hair straightener, my hair bands. This is some facial cleaning tool. I have some charcoal powder and lint roller, and this was something that my best friend gifted to me. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna quickly finish the rest of it and then show you guys.
Meanwhile.
Quickly running down because I have to collect something from my friend. I hope you can hear me. Guys, I'm really sorry, but I quickly organized this drawer and this drawer. So I shifted my laptop over here. This is my laptop. These are waxing strips. This is a wax, and these are my product empties, which went in the half yearly, product empties and stuff. So I'll link that video down below in case you want to check out what these products are. And I haven't actually filmed it, but obviously before the time, like when you see this video, it's already filmed and like done. So once I'm done filming that video, I'm gonna throw all of this out. So this area is going to be empty. This is my wax ka dabba, and we also have my laptop charger. Over here we have my tripod. This is an empty like vanity box, and this is 3 like iron. And now I just got to like remove all of this and put that anti-slip mat, which I put here and here as well. And I'm kind of gonna organize this and throw away what I don't need. Okay, you guys, I've finally got done organizing everything, and look at this lipsticks. I was decluttering my makeup. Yes, I organized my makeup also. So I got a few lipsticks, and I just swatched it randomly. But anyways, I am going to show you guys what all I did. To start with here, so I show you guys this drawer, and of course I organized the top one as well. Really like neat and clean and organized, but the amount of dust, oh my god, you guys, I should have worn a mask. Next up, we have this beautiful corner of my vanity. So I just kept a mirror and this beautiful pretty little candle, and that is me right here. I really love how minimalist and beautiful this looks. And then this is my makeup drawer. So I've kept all my base products here. So these are foundations, BB cream. This is a what is it? Illuminating moisturizer, some concealer, setting sprays. Now these are some lipsticks. These are my face brushes. These are gonna go away in the vanity in a while. Then this is a box which contains my lipsticks, like some of them are here, some of them are inside. These are 3 beauty blenders, and then I have my eye pencils and eyeliner pens over here. These are my eyeshadow palettes, my bronzer and highlighters, sharpeners, and liquid eyeshadows, mascara, and stuff like that. So this is what it is. I'm so happy that I cleaned it because it was so disgusting and like so cluttered. So really happy with this one. And then the final reveal for this trolley. I didn't really make many changes, but first off, let's just put it in its place. Really excited. I don't know which direction should I put it in. Like, should I put it in this way? Oh my god. Wait, let me just put it and then show you guys. Okay, you guys, look how it is. It fits perfectly and it looks so pretty over here. I am so happy. It looks so neat and organized. So I showed you guys the first drawer. I have my skincare, sunscreen, hair care, and some face masks. These are my makeup brushes. I'm gonna add one more container. So this is basically a candle, a scented candle ka jar which got empty, so I'm using it for my brushes. And here are my hair brushes and some clips and rubber bands which I use regularly, and this matchbox for lighting a candle. Next, here I showed you guys, so here, over there, right here, I have all my fragrances. I don't know if you can see clearly. Let me just remove it out for oh my god. Yeah, so these are my fragrances. These are my hair brushes, clips, and rubber bands. These are my nail paints and cotton pads. And here it was empty, so I just kept some TV remotes and headphones. I'll probably ask my mom to use this one. And down here I showed you guys is my straightener and my hair bands, lint roller, some facial massager, and some empty cartons. But yeah, this is what it is. This is how the trolley looks. It is so beautiful. I am in love with it. And let me know what you guys think about this. And I think, yeah, that is it for this video. I will try to link the products that I have mentioned in the description box below, and also some videos that I mentioned, I will link them down below. So in case you guys want to check it out, you can definitely check the description. And I'm gonna take a shower now and finish my nighttime skincare routine and relax. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.